Hey there, future homeowner. Today I want to share some insider tips on choosing the right real estate agent for your first home purchase. This is probably one of the biggest investments you'll make in your life. So having the right person in your corner is absolutely crucial. Let me walk you through the 3 most important traits you should look for in a real estate agent. From my experience in the industry and talking with countless first-time buyers, these are absolute game changers. First up is experience with first-time buyers. You want someone who genuinely understands what you're going through. A great agent should have a track record of helping people just like you navigate this exciting but sometimes overwhelming journey. They should be patient enough to explain every term, every document, and every step of the process without making you feel rushed or stupid for asking questions. The second trait is strong local market knowledge. Your ideal agent should know your target neighborhood like the back of their hand. They should be able to tell you about upcoming developments, school districts, property value trends, and even which streets flood during heavy rain. This kind of detailed insight can save you from making costly mistakes and help you find hidden gems in the market. The third and perhaps most important trait is exceptional communication skills. You need someone who's responsive and proactive. In today's fast-moving market, waiting 24 hours for a reply could mean losing your dream home. Look for an agent who keeps you updated regularly, returns calls and messages promptly, and explains things in a way that makes sense to you. Here's a pro tip. Before committing to an agent, ask them about their recent experiences with first-time buyers. Request references and actually call them. Ask about their communication style and availability. A good agent will be happy to provide this information and won't pressure you into making a decision right away. Remember, this isn't just about finding someone who can show you houses. You're looking for a trusted advisor who will guide you through one of life's biggest decisions. Don't settle for less than someone who exhibits all these traits. Your future self will thank you for being selective now. Take your time in finding the right agent. Interview several if you need to. Trust your instincts and don't be afraid to move on if something doesn't feel right. After all, this is about your future home and you deserve someone who will work tirelessly to help you find it.